This is question number 2 from homework 12. Francine currently has $50,000 in her 401k account at work and plans to contribute $6,000 each year for the next 10 years. How much will she have in the account in 10 years if the account averages 5% annual return? Now, we can tell that this is a savings annuity, and it's not going to be paid out annually until she retires. So it's not going to be this formula here. We're going to be directly with savings annuity. Now, the difference between this savings annuity and other savings annuities is that she already has money saved, and that changes things up a little bit. But first, let's just compute the savings annuity as if she doesn't have any money saved. All right, so I'm going to use Desmos for this. And so she's depositing $6,000 for the next 10 years, and it's 5% annual return. So it's only compounded once a year. So that's the annual return. Okay, so let's come over to Desmos, where I already have a lot of my formula set up. And I just fill in the things that I need where I need them. So it's the 5%. So I already have the 5% here, but I also have to put it down here, which I did not do. And then we can see my once a year happens here, here, and here. And they said that it was for 15 years, I believe. Nope, 10 years in this problem and $6,000. Okay. So this is going to be 10 years, excuse me, and in front of here, it's going to be $6,000. And so we can see after the 10 years at 5%, she'll have the 75,467.36 cents. Now, the difference is now that we know that, that's just based on her deposits. What we also need to compute is a compound interest based on her already deposited amount. And so the already deposited amount is $50,000. And so I have a compound interest set up here, $50,000, and it's going to be 5%, 5%. And this is only compounded once a year. And so that one here and that one here has to do with the once a year. And they said it's for 10 years. All right. So just the $50,000 will get her up to $81,444.73. But she's done both of these things. And so we have to combine those things together. So $75,467.36 and $81,444.73. And so we have $156,000, 912 and 9 cents. So let me put that in. 156, 912.09, and let's hope it's correct. We got it. All right, so it's a two-part question based on paying into it, so it's savings annuity, and also having money to begin with. Okay, so that's the difference with this one. That's why it's a two-part question. It's the only one of its kind. The rest are just complete savings annuity, as if you're starting with nothing, or it's a payout annuity where you're withdrawing from the account. And so that's not this problem, which is why I knew it was going to be a savings account problem. So hopefully that helps, and you'll be able to compute this one for the homework.